The threat from space is real. NASA and the ESA have confirmed that a recently discovered asteroid, 2024 YR4, has a chance of impacting Earth in December 2032. And what we know so far is shocking. Could this be the next extinction-level event, or are we safe? Stick around until the end to find out. What is Asteroid 2024 YR4? Asteroid 2024 YR4 was recently detected, and astronomers are alarmed by its trajectory, which brings it dangerously close to our planet. It is estimated to be between 40 and 90 meters in diameter, similar in size to the 1908 Tunguska meteorite, which flattened 2,000 square kilometers of Siberian forest. What are the chances of impact? Initially, the probability of impact was low. However, recent reports suggest that estimates have risen to a 2.3% chance of collision on December 22, 2032. This places it at level 3 on the Torino impact hazard scale, meaning it's an event that demands serious attention. Consequences of an impact. If 2024 YR4 were to impact Earth, the consequences would depend on the location. If it were to hit the ocean, it could generate a massive tsunami. If it struck an urban area, the explosion would release energy equivalent to 8 megatons of TNT, comparable to the most powerful bomb ever detonated. However, there is also a 0.3% chance that the asteroid could collide with the moon, creating an enormous explosion visible from Earth. How can we stop it? Scientists are already exploring ways to deflect it, including using kinetic impactors, lasers, and even nuclear explosives in space. NASA and the ESA are actively monitoring its trajectory and could take action if the risk increases. Should we be worried? Despite the risk, experts say that with further observations, the likelihood of impact will likely decrease. However, this event is a stark reminder that our planet is not immune to cosmic threats. Do you think we should invest more in planetary defense? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more shocking updates from the universe. See you in the next video.